The History of Bordaan Guimaras by Gonzaga Quirigimba. Content: Brief history of Guimaras Island, significant people and local heroes. Geography. Culture. Bordaan Guimaras Island history. The name of the town used to be Nagaba but was changed in 1902 to Hordan. The name Hordan, the Spanish name for the Hordan River, was chosen by the residents in honor of John the Baptist. Their patron saint, according to local folklore, he saved the inhabitants from slaughter during the Moro raid in the Spanish era. In 1980, the municipality was formed when it separated from Buenavista with Valeriano Villanueva as the first appointed Presidente Municipal. After election in 1919, Hugo Chavez became the next mayor followed by Lucero Segovia, 1921 to 1923. Albert Gonzaga (1923 to 1925), Felis Ronzales (1925–1928), Hilario Nava (1929–1932), again Hugo Chavez (1932–1938), and Leodegario Galarpe (1939–1941). Nueva Valencia was established as a separate municipality in 1941. In July 1995, San Lorenzo and Sibuna were created, leaving Hordan with only 14 barangays. Before these two towns was created, Hordan was composed of 33 barangays. Guimaras is known to have had a unique history. A prevailing legend has it that two of its inhabitants, called Gima and Anas, who were lovers, went swimming and never returned. Thus, in their honor, Malas was changed to Guimaras by the pre-Spanish Ilonggos. The beauty of the island attracted the attention of the colonizers. The Spaniards, headed by Gonzalo Ronquillo de Peñalosa, who established the first Spanish settlement in Arevalo, were struck by the beautiful sceneries in the island. They noticed that its verdant mountains abounded with the forest timbers, limestone for building purposes, and excellent hunting and fishing grounds. Significant people and local heroes. Pablo was elected municipal councilor of Nueva Valencia Guimaras in November 1971. He took his oath in January 1972 as a municipal councilor and activist advocating reforms in the government and the military. He was disillusioned with the systematic corruption he had witnessed. Geography. Guimaras, locally Guimaras, officially the province of Guimaras, Hiligaynon, Kapuuran, Sang Guimaras, Ginaraya, Kapuuran, Kang Guimaras, Tagalog, lalawigan ng Guimaras, is an island province in the Philippines located in the western Visayas region. Its capital is Ordan. The province is situated in the Panay Gulf between the islands of Panay and Negros. To the northwest is the province of Iloilo, and to the southwest is Negros Occidental. The whole island is part of the Metro Iloilo-Guimaras, one of the 12 metropolitan areas of the Philippines. Culture. The Pagtaltal sa Guimaras is a Lenten presentation on the hillside of Ordan. The play is patterned after the famous Opera Magaw Passion Play in the West Germany. The play shows the story of Christ's Passion, beginning with the entry into the Jerusalem and ending with the death of Christ on the cross, with the local as actors. Every Good Friday, pilgrims troop to the town to climb the peak of Balaan Bukid following the 14th station of the cross. After the Balaan Bukid trek, pilgrims and tourists then proceed to the town of the Hordan witness the Pagtaltal sa Guimaras. Gahan Festival. Guimaras is well known as one of the best summer destinations in the country due to its pristine beaches. But more than that, the place has thousands of things to offer. There are still unexplored resources and natural beauties far from anyone could imagine. With the rich historical heritage of Guimaras, one would surely feel amazed at how the place evolved into what is it today. Starting from the Spaniards, American down to the Japanese, they all felt that something is unique and amazing with the place. It was only after World War II that the place has been free from colonizers, and they began to gather the left pieces together and build a better and stronger society. With the hand-in-hand efforts of the local, the island once again achieved its glorious beauty, making it as one of the top tourist destinations in the entire country. Additionally, the place is also home of the sweet mangoes in the world. Preferences.